The Fuller Brush Company Stainless Steel Easy Clean and Polish Kit has made my life so much easier. As you can see here, my fridge has fingerprints, spills, and smudges galore. This FullGleam stainless steel cleaner is great for stainless steel, chrome, and aluminum appliance surface and fixtures. It leaves a nice satin luster while protecting with a thin coating that resists further fingerprints, which is a plus. Next, I'm using the blue fuzzy microfiber side of the mitt to clean the surface. This mitt is great because it keeps the cleaner from touching my hands. It's designed to be longer in the wrist area than others. I love that it has a thumb to make cleaning appliance door handles, edges, and corners easier to reach. Next, I'm using the gray finger-like microfiber side to buff and polish. It's also machine washable and can be used as a duster and even replace paper towels. This stainless steel easy clean and polish kit saves me time and makes cleaning easier. Check them out!